morning students, how are you all? Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 10, time. This chapter you have been doing since class 1. Our whole life depends on time. In this chapter we are going to find out how to calculate time with different ways. So let's start the chapter. So exercise 10.1 question number 1 says convert into hours. Now this question says that we need to convert into hours these 5 days. A part has 5 days. This means days have to be converted into hours. For that we need to know how many hours are there in a single day. That is, one day has how many hours? One day has 24 hours. So if one day has 24 hours, 5 days will be having 24 multiplied with 5. You have to multiply 24 with this 5 and know how many hours are there in 5 days. 5 fours are 20. 5 twos are 10 plus 2 becomes 12. There are 120 hours in 5 days. Question number 2 says convert into minutes. Now A part is 15 hours. Hours are need to be converted into minutes. For this you need to know how many minutes are there in 1 hour. First we will write 1 hour has 60 minutes. So if 1 hour has 60 minutes, then 15 hours will have, again you will multiply 15 with 60 to get the number of minutes in 15 hours. That is 0, keep it on the end, 6 5s are 30, 0 here, 3 carried, 6 1s are 6 plus 3 is 900 minutes, which means 15 hours have 900 minutes. So we are going to do now the B part. Now B part says 7 hours 30 minutes. Now we have to convert 7 hours 30 minutes into minutes. First we will write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and then convert these 7 hours into minutes and add up this 30 minutes with that to find out the number of minutes. So 7 hours 30 minutes will be 60 multiply 7 plus 30 minutes, which will be 7 zeros are 0, 7 6 are 42 minutes plus 30 minutes will be 450 minutes. So there are 450 minutes in 7 hours 30 minutes. So students, the last part of this exercise 10.1 is question number 3, convert into seconds. A part says 12 minutes. Here minutes have to be converted into seconds. So first you need to know how many seconds are there in 1 minute. 1 minute has 60 seconds. So if 1 minute has 60 seconds, 12 minutes will have 60 to be multiplied with 12, which is 720 seconds. So there are 720 seconds in 12 minutes. Here the thing which you have to keep in mind is when you go from a higher unit to a lower unit, you multiply. This is the basic thing you need to know, that whenever you go from a higher unit to a lower unit, you need to multiply. So we are going to solve question number 3, B part now. 5 minutes 10 seconds. Now 5 minutes 10 seconds need to be converted into seconds. These 10 seconds are already seconds, so no need to touch. 5 minutes have to be converted into seconds first and then add up this 10 seconds with those seconds. So 1 minute has 60 seconds, then 5 minutes 10 seconds will have, let's find out, 5 multiplied with 60 plus 10 seconds. When 5 multiplied with 60 is 300, it becomes 300 seconds plus 10 seconds, which is in total 310 seconds. So in 5 minutes 10 seconds there are 310 seconds. So students, with the help of these sums, you will complete your rest of the exercise in your notebook. Thank you.